Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, Ethereum's chart shows some short-term strength. I mean, today we're consolidating. The entire market is public holiday in the US, but the market has first of all followed the forecast on the micro level. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. But before we do that, I would like to take a look at the bigger picture first, the Ethereum daily chart and where things could be going, because now we have a really healthy wave 3 here, okay, and some people suggested in the comments, you know, I'm predicting a pullback and we won't get one. Well, I'm not predicting a pullback. I mean, that's often a misunderstanding. What I'm doing, I'm giving you support. I'm telling you the risk levels, because we now have a 3-wave move up. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you recall, I wanted the price to get to 3,690 in an ideal world, so I haven't predicted a pullback yet. Simply highlighted that if certain levels break, yeah, I mean, it will be inevitable, right? But those levels are holding, and they were holding, and the 3,690 level was the ideal level to reach. So I also posted that, and that's the good thing. We have in our membership in on Discord everything in writing. So a couple of days ago I posted the price is still moving in a price range between micro support and the Fibonacci extension level, and I prefer wave 5 to reach 3,692, and that was when the price was still sort of consolidating, yeah, below 3,511, which was one of the resistance levels, which was also nicely respected. But again, the idea was to get there next on the micro level, right? This is only micro perspective. Now the price has reached it. So far I haven't predicted a wave 4 pullback, but then again, it's not about predicting, it's about understanding where are we currently in the structure and where is support located. Support on the daily time frame is now between 2,655 and 3,010 USD. That's the standard support region if we get a wave 4. So if a pullback occurs from here in a wave 4, and I would need to see a break below previous swing lows to suggest that move down has started, well, that is the area that we can watch where the price could find support. If we get a decent pullback, there's no sign that a pullback has started, but I need to prepare you because, you know, things can happen quickly in crypto, right? So you need to understand at every point what are the relevant risk levels. Now, there are support levels on the smaller time frame that are closer, but on the daily time frame, this is the main area to watch, which also means that if we get another pullback of this sort, it might have a similar quality to what we had here, this sort of accumulation area in August and September, where the price reacted several times. You see that statement here ideally holds here at 2097. The price did hold there, and we are on our way possibly to all-time highs, right? Given that we are, well, not there yet, but climbing higher and getting close to the March highs. And the idea is that we are tracking here a wave 5 to the upside, right? And don't forget that, you know, if you look for pullbacks, don't forget that the price would ideally reach 5,720 plus in this cycle. Okay, it can always go higher. I mean, 7,800, next ideal one after that. But we are obviously not there yet. So at the moment, we see a 3-wave move up. Based on these structures, it is likely to see another 4-5 pattern. But we've literally only just now reached the 178.6 extension. That is a normal extension for a third wave. What we wanted was, first of all, the 138% extension as first ideal target for this third wave. We've only reached that recently. The next extensions are just very common Fibonacci extensions, and on the micro level, another high was still forecasted. So we now want to see a 4-5 pattern next to get a 5-wave move, which would then complete Circle A. But as I said to you before, Circle A can also be a 3-wave move, so we might need to be flexible. Keep an open mind regarding the microstructure, which is why at every juncture I give you relevant micro support levels, for example, to watch. And here on the 1-hour chart, I highlighted to you that one more high would be ideal. Now we've reached that. Okay, does it mean the top has to be in? No, I mean, that was the next milestone target. Do we get an impulsive rejection now? I don't know, not yet, okay? So the next level above is at 3,938. This is now just navigating the microstructures. When can we say that this 4th wave pullback that we have here on the chart as a potential, and that's really what it is, it's a potential. This 4th wave pullback, which could happen when Bitcoin forms its fourth wave pullback, this will really only become come into focus, once we get a break below certain support levels. And well, you see this micro support area led to a nice reaction. I can remove that now, we don't need it. But we've got now this 3,338 level as a key pivot. Any break below it will increase the likelihood that the larger wave 4 has started, especially if we break below it impulsively. For now, I don't see a long trade setup. I mean, that was down here or down here. I don't see a short trade setup because we haven't confirmed the top yet. So either way, I think we're sort of just grinding now. Any break above 3,692 should send us to 3,938. The trend is still up. You can always go with a trend if you want to, but any break below 3,338 would be a bit too deep for direct upside continuation. I would then watch for a fourth wave pullback, which could be an opportunity. So that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you are interested in the membership, you can check out the video on our channel page that will explain all the details around the membership in 2 minutes. You can join on YouTube or here on our website. The link is just next to it. There are member-only videos. For example, Phantom was covered yesterday for members. A lot of people asked for an update. In addition to that, you can connect to Discord if you're a gold member for lots of additional benefits, including the access to Discord that I showed you earlier. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.